Where's the most radioactive place on Earth? Radioactive symbol. It's Chernobyl, Ukraine, the infamous site of the 1986 nuclear disaster. Even after more than 30 years, radiation levels there remain deadly. The initial explosion released an astonishing 400 times more radiation than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. Certain zones are so toxic that human habitation is impossible for another 20,000 years. This truly makes it the most radioactive place radioactive symbol on our planet. Follow Everything Hub for more shocking Earth facts and uncover the mysteries of our world.